Doesn't that look awful? You got a hand with a pipe going through it. I think we can trick our eyes into seeing that. We got 2 new members, Midnight Science Club, Cooper and Liz. I was getting a little hungry because it was lunchtime. We were going to have some eyeballs for lunch. You ever had eyeball soup?
No.
Eyeball pizza?
No.
Peanut butter and eyeballs?
No.
Chicken and eyeballs? You ever seen real eyeballs before?
No.
Eyeballs. You know, the wizard plays tricks all the time. You know that. They said eyeballs. Those are little lychee fruits I got from the Chinese restaurant. What did you do at Midnight Science Club? Well, we looked at a jar full of eyeballs, tried to figure out what they taste like. But there is a trick. There's a couple of neat tricks I thought you might be interested in that you can do with your eyes. Because you've got 2 eyes. For some reason, why do you think you have 2? Have you ever seen pictures of spiders that have a whole bunch of eyes? I don't know if I've ever seen anything with 1 eye. One-eyed pirate. Most things that have eyes have more than 1 for a reason.
Wow.
Well, I want to show you something about your eyes. I want you to take your 2 fingers like this. Hold your fingers up in front of your eyes, but look way off in the distance. Don't look at your fingers and move them back and forth. I'm not touching my fingers together. And I'm going like this, and I go, oh, I see a little weenie finger hanging in the middle of the air. Oh my gosh, it looks like a little piece of sausage hanging right out in the sky. I see it.
Oh yeah, I see.
Did you see it?
Yes.
What is that? Looks like a little round skin bean hanging there in the space.
Oh yeah.
You see the skin bean? How in the world is that happening? Well, this eye is sending a signal to my brain, and this eye is sending another signal to my brain, and my brain has to put those 2 pictures together. And the purpose is that is so we can tell how close something is. It's called binocular vision. But you can trick your brain into saying, hey, let's see both images like that. That's really kind of cool. I think people will see us doing this, they're gonna think, those people are weird.
Yes,
is this freaking you out just a little bit?
A little bit.
A little bit. You really want to get freaked out a little bit? You want to see something even better? You ready for this? Look at that. Doesn't that look awful?
Yeah.
That looks awful. You got a hand with a pipe going through it. That would not be a good day. I think we can trick our eyes into seeing that. Isn't that the darndest thing? Because remember, our eyes are making 2 images and trying to combine them. If I could get an image of my hand with 1 eye and an image of the pipe with the other eye, I could mix those together and get that. It's a little trick.
This eye is like picking up the pipe, and then the other one's picking up the hand.
Yeah, this is very important stuff, isn't it? Maybe not, but we're. So anyway, this is some advanced scientific equipment. How do we do that? Grab one of these. How could I hold it so that I could trick my eyes into seeing this?
I saw it.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Where was your hand? Was it out in front?
It was right here.
Oh, this one's, oh, there, I got it. It's going right through my hand. Oh, whoa.
That's cool. Oh, I can see it. It's cool.
Can you explain to me, Cooper, what's happening? What am I doing?
When you look at the tube and your hand, the image of your hand kind of moves. It looks like that the tube is going straight through your hand.
Let's give that man a hand. That's a pretty good analysis, man. That's pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and have some eyeballs. You guys ready?
No.
No? Okay, forget
No.
that. Everybody say goodbye. Say thank you for joining us. Repeat after me. Thank you
Thank you
for joining us
for joining us
at the silliest thing we've done all day
the silliest thing we've done all day
here at
here at
Midnight Science Club.
Midnight Science Club.